Nia and the Bad Juice Boat, a Jamaican kid story about creativity, recycling, and island pride. In the seaside village of Cabbage Hill, 8-year-old Nia had a big imagination and an even bigger dream to build a boat. Not just any boat, a boat made from things people threw away. Every day after school, while other children played football or skated on old cartwheels, Nia would sit under the almond tree with her sketchbook, drawing boats of all shapes and colors. One day, while sipping back juice with her best friend Zion, she got a bright idea. What if me use bag juice bags to make the sails? Everybody buy them, but nobody keep the plastic. You serious? Bag juice sails? Nia, your brain too spicy. But Nia was serious. The next morning, she went yard to yard in Cabbage Hill with a cardboard sign that said, "Help me build the first ever bag juice boat. Donate your empty bags." People laughed at first. Then they started giving. By the end of the week, Nia had over 300 bag juice packets, washed, dried, and ready. She cut them, stitched them with fishing line, and attached them to sticks from the beach. She used old soda bottles for the hull and yarn strings to tie everything tight. It wasn't pretty, but it was hers. Every year, the fishermen of Cabbage Hill held a little boat race for the village kids. People brought everything: tiny pan boats, banana tree rafts, and even a breadbasket converted into a canoe. When Nia stepped up with her shiny patchwork bag juice boat, the crowd winked silent. One boy laughed. "That can't float. It looked like Sunday garbage." But Zion stood beside her proud. "Don't watch the look, watch the brilliance." The race started with a horn made from a cow shell. Nia placed her boat on the water, and it bobbed, then glided. Not the fastest, not the fanciest, but the original. When it reached the finish line, it hadn't flipped or sunk. The crowd burst into applause. Even the old fishermen clapped. Elder Marvin, the head judge, said, "You win most innovative. Me never yet seen a boat sail pan bag juice." That day, Nia didn't just win a medal. She inspired the whole village. Soon, other kids started saving bottle caps, wrappers, and plastics for their own inventions. Miss Bev, who ran the corner shop, even put up a sign: "Recycle like Nia. Creativity start with you." Nia looked at her boat, gently rocking in the tide, and smiled. Maybe the ocean not full of junk, maybe it full of ideas waiting to float.